Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new episode on the Spice and Easy Kitchen channel. I hope you are all doing well, and today's recipe is a light dinner. It is quick to prepare, and I hope you will enjoy it and even make it for lunch. Here I have 250 grams of turkey breast. I sliced it and washed it with ginger, salt, lemon, and grated onion. I leave it to marinate for about 30 minutes, then I rinse it again. This gives the meat a wonderfully delicious flavor. Now let's prepare the seasoning for the turkey breast. I have 2 cloves of garlic and 1 teaspoon of red pepper. Add salt to taste, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of cumin. Also add half a teaspoon of ground ginger and 1 tablespoon of traditional olive oil. Mix all of these ingredients together. Now mix everything well. You can keep the turkey in slices or cut it into cubes if you prefer. Let it marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes while preparing the baking dish. I have 4 potatoes ready for the oven dish. Arrange them evenly in the dish. Add 1 roughly sliced onion. Place the turkey breast pieces on top. I peeled 2 tomatoes, removed the seeds, blended them, and they are ready. Add 2 tablespoons of traditional olive oil. Add a little chopped parsley and mix well. Pour the tomato mixture evenly over the baking dish. Cover the baking dish before placing it in the oven. Place an aluminum tray on top, or simply cover it with aluminum foil. The oven is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes, then I'll show you the result. We will add one final optional ingredient at the end. That ingredient is a little grated cheese. 45 minutes have now passed. Remove the cover and return the dish to the oven. Let the top become lightly golden. Once the turkey is nicely browned, it's ready for the next step. Sprinkle a little cheese over the top if you like. Adding cheese is completely optional, so prepare it however you prefer. Return it to the oven just until the cheese melts, then remove it. Now the cheese has melted and the dish is ready. Decorate it with a little chopped parsley. The parsley, just like the cheese, is completely optional. The important thing is that this dish is absolutely delicious. Now I'll serve it onto a plate. Let's take a look at this potato. This is how the finished dish looks once it is served. Place it in the center of the table so everyone can serve themselves. I hope you enjoy today's recipe and that you prepare it and enjoy every bite. I hope you like today's dish, and I'll see you in the next video.